Welcome to Grumpy John's garage. As you can see in the background, I've got the clutch and the brake pedal assembly getting all set to go in. That's instructions from my new book I bought. There's a brake master cylinder fitted, brake pipes are all fitted. Still not sure of this one here going in the back. And I've got the master cylinder protector. So what we've got is the clutch pedal with the woodruff key which goes in there. You've got the brake pedal, then we've got the plunger that goes from the brake pedal to the master cylinder. That's a washer. Then we've got the tie bar that goes from the master cylinder to this assembly. The clutch control assembly, I think it's called. So I'll put you up on the tripod and you can just watch me do it. Just put it together. All it is just putting it together and greasing it up. That's all I'm going to be doing. On the rod here, it's got a washer for going up against this here. We want some lube on this. Yeah, plenty of lube. It's got a grease nipple underneath, but preload it anyway. Get in there. Whoa, yeah. Get in there. So this bit here's for the clutch. So when the pedal on the outside gets moved, it moves that. Okay, then we've got a washer. More grease. Put the plunger in, that's adjustable, but it can do all that at a later date. And you'll notice that this hasn't got a woodruff key. That's got a grease nipple. So what happens is, when you press the brake, it rotates on that cylinder. Unlike the clutch, when you press the clutch, it moves, as you see. The brake pedal doesn't move. Connect that up. That's only a wee split pin. Well, you've got in the master cylinder, you've got a bolt, same as that, going through from the outside into the cylinder. Then this one goes onto the tie bar and then onto that cylinder. And that goes through to a nut and a bolt. The bolt set I got off Joe's Motor Pool. And when you get a bolt set, you expect to get the bolts for the master cylinder. That's what I expected. What did I get? 2 of these bolts. That's obviously got a nut in the end of it, so why not give me the nut as well? Then you've got a tie bar here. It bolts through there with a bolt. Why not give me that as well? When I ask for a full set, I want a full set. don't want a half a set and then have to raid my wee box for extra bolts. Then you've got the master cylinder protector. Then it goes, it's a bolt on the outside. What I've done is I've just put the bolt in there. I haven't got the right bolt, but I've just put one in just to hold it for now. And that fits in there like that. Brakey, brakey. We've got a split pin to go in there. It looks like a hole there for a spring, but I know a spring goes on. I'm sure it's the ones on the clutch. There we go. I'll take you around this side and I'll show you this side. For the final part of this bit, we have got the clutch. And we have got a Woodruff key. That's a Woodruff key there. It comes from the name of the inventor, called William Woodruff, from around the late 1800s. He invented that. When it does, it goes onto that shaft with the round part into the shaft, and then you can just see the bit there. That's where that goes, and it locks that onto that cylinder. So all you do is line it up, put it the right way round. That's better. Now I've got my new spring washer. We'll put the pedal on. So the Woodruff key goes to the top, and your wee chamfered bit goes to the top. Push them on and line them up. There we go. Now you've got a washer for the end. Then we put our lock and bolt in. And there we go, that's it done. 6% battery left. I think I've got the same energy level, but that's it done. Your brake pedal. And if you watch that bit there, that's your clutch lever. All fitted now, looking good. So that's the master cylinder now fitted, brake pedal. Brake pipes are all hooked up except for the front when I put the hubs on. And the clutch pedal's on now. It's getting closer and closer. And with that, I would like to thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.